What's up, guys? Today we're checking out Consensus AI, a tool that promises to revolutionize how we find scientific answers. If you've ever spent hours digging through research papers, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. But is it really that good? In this video, we'll test it out, break down its features, and see if it's worth your attention. Let's get started. Consensus AI is designed to simplify the process of finding trustworthy research-based answers. By leveraging AI, it scans through millions of peer-reviewed studies to deliver concise summaries on any topic you search for. The platform is straightforward. Enter a question like, "Does meditation reduce stress?" and Consensus will pull data from multiple studies to give you a clear answer, along with a consensus meter showing how strong the evidence is. This is a game changer for students and professionals who need accurate information fast. The tool also allows you to filter results by study type, publication date, and more, which is great for refining your search. One of the best things about Consensus is its transparency. Every answer is backed by citations, so you can check the sources yourself. On the downside, the free version has restrictions, like a limited number of searches per month, and some topics may not have enough research to provide a definitive answer. Additionally, while the AI does a good job summarizing, it's still important to critically evaluate the sources. Despite these minor drawbacks, Consensus AI is a powerful resource for evidence-based learning, especially if you're willing to upgrade for full access. Consensus AI offers 4 pricing tiers: Free, Premium, Teams, and Enterprise. The free plan includes basic access with 10 pro analyses, snapshots, and ask paper messages per month, plus unlimited searches and bookmarks. The premium plan costs $8.99/month, billed annually, and provides unlimited pro analyses, snapshots, and ask paper messages, along with additional features. The Teams plan is priced at $9.99 per seat month, billed annually, and includes everything in premium plus team management tools and future API access. The Enterprise plan offers custom pricing for large organizations, featuring bulk discounts, integrations, dedicated support, and multi-user management. Each tier is designed to cater to different user needs, from individuals to large institutions. That's a wrap on our Consensus AI review.